I went ahead and fished it through the holes right here in this back carpet. So I was able to just push the wire up along this column until I could see it here back in the hole with my flashlight, and then I was able to get a hold of this and pull this through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the yellow end, so this is the RCA end, this is the end that's going to go all the way up in the display. I'm going to take this, I'm going to attach it to my wire, I'm going to feed that back down and pull it back out through here for now. And the next goal would be to fish it forward, okay, but we also need to fish it through this line here, the other end through this line and up through. So we're going to do this end first, and then we'll fish the RCA end all the way up the body, okay? But for now, and it was a lot easier to go this direction, we're going to want to take the RCA end, we're going to tape it to our fish here, to our hanger, and then just gently pull it back down this column and pull it out the carpet for now. All right, so I've got the line fished up here. As you can see, I've got the bottom end coming out through this hole in the carpet right here. We'll deal with the rest of that run here in a few minutes. I used my hanger. I fished it up this side pretty easily. I pulled this grommet and I got the end of the hanger right here. So I attached the RCA end, which is the yellow end. This is the end that's going to run up to the head unit. I attached that to my hanger, pulled it back down and fished it out. I then compressed all of this accordion right here, compressed it all in, fished the black end of the line up through, put it through the hole. I've already reset my grommet right here, as you can tell, fish it back out through this hole, and then I'm running it right along the same lines as the rest of the cable run. I used a little bit of electrical tape right here just to help keep it in place, and then fished it back down through the framing, and it's back out on this end right here, okay? So here is one end, and here is the other right here.